Okay, exercise 23-6. This one has to do with materials variance, and we're also going to do number 7, which is just the direct labor variance for the same manufacturer. All right, Martin Incorporated is a manufacturer of lead crystal glasses. The standard direct materials quantity is $1 per pound at a cost of 50 cents per pound. The actual results for 1 month of production are 6,500 glasses at $1 or at 1.2 pounds per glass at a cost of 30 cents per pound. And they want to know the direct material cost variance and efficiency variances. And then we're also going to do number 7, which does the same thing for direct labor with the same company. All right, so I think it's better for y'all to use this setup where it's the actual cost times the actual quantity. I can't spell, I'm really sorry. And then the next second level is standard cost times the actual quantity. And the third level is your standard cost times standard quantity. All right, I like it set up like this because I think it's easier for you to see what the variances are. So from the first level to the second level, the only thing that's changing is your cost. So that's your cost variance. And then from the second level to the third level, the only thing that's changing is the quantity. So that's your efficiency variance. Sometimes you hear it referred to as quantity variance. Okay, so their actual cost was 30 cents a pound. They made 6,500 glasses, and they should have used they actually used 1.2 pounds per glass. All right, so that's their actual quantity. All right, so that's 0.3 times 7,800 pounds, and that equals 2340. That's what they actually spent. Okay, they should have spent, or they had budgeted to spend 50 cents a pound. All right, the actual quantity stays the same, so it's the same 7,800 pounds. All right, so you multiply that out, that's 3,900. All right, and then standard cost is still 50 cents. All right, but they should have used 1 pound per glass, so you're gonna do the actual production times the standard quantity. So 0.5 times 6,500 pounds, and that's 3,250. All right, then you subtract going across. So 2340 minus 3,900, and then 3,900 minus 3,250. All right, so 2340 minus 3,900 is 1,560. And you don't really need to worry about the positive and negatives. You can just put the absolute value of the number. All right, and 3,900 minus 3,250 is 650. All right, but what you do need to do is put whether it's favorable or unfavorable. Okay, in this case, they spent 2340 and the budget was 3,900. So that is favorable. All right, from this one, they spent $3,900, but they should only spent $3,250, so that is unfavorable. All right, now this is working out this way because if you notice, here we're comparing the cost, and we spent 30 cents a pound, and we have budgeted 50 cents. So since we spent less than the budget, then it's favorable. This one is comparing the pounds that were used. All right, we actually used 7,800 pounds, but we should only have used 6,500 pounds. So that makes it unfavorable. All right, cost is what we're comparing here. So this is our cost variance. Here we're comparing the amount of material use. That's our efficiency variance that I don't know how to spell. All right, and then you combine them. Since these are going opposite directions, you're going to subtract, okay? So I would do the 1,560 minus the 650, and my overall direct material variance would be 910. All right, and this is my direct material variance. And it is favorable because it takes on the characteristic of the bigger number. Okay?